Model, 69-plate Peugeot partner BERLINGO 1.6 BlueHDi 100S and S manual 950 professional spares OR repairs trader margin lovely open mouth smile body, white, panel van mileage, 65,396 MOT, the 29th of September 2024 engine, 1,499 cc DV5RD transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine out of timing gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.